Hi guys, welcome to NTRIGON 3D channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this short animation using Blender. Okay, let's get started. Now we have queue, so I move here to increase an entrance to let the wood in. Okay, now I create conveyor belt. I create a plan and set to the viewport. Okay, delete the face and select all vertex and Control Alt V, or you can Control B then V to bevel the vertex. Okay, convert this to curve. Now I create a plane and use the array modifier. Okay, I use curve modifier on it and bit to the curve. Okay, you see it's not curve, right? So you can shift R to create some edge loop. Okay, now you can increase the array modifier, scale a little bit to fit. Okay, now we scale the entrance. I to inset and then grid face. Okay, now I move this a little bit here, move it up. Okay, now I increase the array modifier. Okay, now I copy this, fill face. Now I use the solidify on the conveyor belt to increase the thickness. Okay, I on transform this and use the mirror modify on the y-axis. Okay, now been to the object. Now I create cylinder to hold this conveyor belt. Okay, now we copy this face, rotate it and move here. Okay, now we use the grid and look, increase it, and you also can change the smooth. Now extrude to the ground. Okay, okay. Now I copy this. Okay, I move here a little bit. Now I create a cylinder to create a Christmas tree. Okay, I scale a little bit. Okay. Oh, that's a lot. Shift Z. Okay. Put down here. Okay, I create a plan to make a ground. Now let me see. Okay, I will show you how to do in the shape key. What the shape key? Shape key is mean you can create another shape and key on that to make animation. When you tap, you change between the basic and the shape you have been made. Now I create a Christmas tree and I will fast forward this. A simple object, so just create anything you want. Okay, now I move a little bit. You can tap to change between two shapes. Okay, that's good. Yeah, you can tap. You can change the value to create the animation. Now I create a drill to. The idea is when the wood coming and the drill will drill the wood and train it into a Christmas tree. Okay. Use shear tool. Now use shear tool. We'll fast forward this. Okay, scale a little bit. Okay. This intro. True. Now delete the face. Shade smooth. Now we have a drill, so I create a camera and change its resolution to 916. I will increase the clip end to see in the back. Okay. The idea is move here and here and move up and down to drill the wood into Christmas tree. Okay, now let me change the angle to fix my eyes. Okay, now I split this to have a camera view. Okay, I will, in this, you can pass through. Okay. I will create animation on the conveyor belt. I will, that's simple, right? You just set a key here and move to this, and you can click on that conveyor belt to move. Okay, now I set the animation on this Christmas tree. Okay, set here, and then I move to this when the conveyor belt stop. Okay, now move here. Okay, I will set I to. Okay, I will set the animation on the shape key here, and then move here and move here to change the set key here. Okay. Now I move the driller move here, and then it will get in, move here, and I forgot I have to this, then move the key to this, and it start here. Okay, when we're there, so okay, then this come, move a little bit. Okay, then I move here. I will increase. Let me adjust this to fit the animation. Okay, move here. I will set here, then move here, and copy the Z exit location, paste here. Okay. I will set rotation, set key to rotation. It spin around. Spin a little bit. Okay. Okay, now I move on. I move it up. Okay, okay. Okay. Now we have a simple animation. Let me check. Okay. Now I create a machine, a magical machine using the magical spray. The idea to increase the leaf of the Christmas tree. Okay. Now I create a symbol. Now I create a symbol machine. Something I don't know. Okay. Just a symbol machine. Okay. F. I will fast forward this. I move here, then here. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, let me adjust a little bit to fix my eyes. Okay. Now let me okay, move here, set the keyframe this. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, now let me create a box to let me select this and assign it to a vertex group. Leaf will appear on this vertex group I assign. Now I create a dynamic band, and the tree I use the canvas. Okay, and create canvas. I use wave band because I assign the vertex group, and it will affect on the wave band where we can control the leaf. On the box I use brush, line brush, and brush on the canvas and change it to distance. Okay, I create a particle system on the Christmas tree. Now I create a leaf. Okay. I will fast forward this. You can create any leaf. Just mark to the Christmas tree. Okay. I create this. Okay. Now I use this. Change the render to object and bit to this leaf I create. Okay. Now it's on over the tree, so we have to choose the vertex group I have assigned. Okay. Now we want to see this. You can move to see. Okay. You can see the wave band. That's where effect. Okay, let me back this and we check the animation. Okay, it's good. Now I will create the Now I create a material for the Christmas tree. And I have some material on Blender kit here. I will choose the material for the wood. Okay, I like this material. Let me scale a little bit. You can download it on the Blender kit. I will set the link below the description. Okay. Now we see we have the material, but it's for the wood, right? Now I create a material for the leaf. Okay. I like this dark green. And let me change this to darker. Okay. Now I will create another shader. You can change this factor to see which color will be displayed. Okay. Now I control this using the gradient map. Okay. Control shift click and let me change. Okay, I will move it to timeline to have a space to work. Okay. Now let me see. Okay, I will add a cologram to define the black and white. The black is 0 and the white is 1. This means display and undisplay. Okay. Now I rotate this. The idea when I move, the idea I can control the color. Okay, I can control where to display the green and the brown color. Okay, and I will set the okay, I move this to set the animation on material. Okay, the idea is that, and I will set. Okay, you can change the display of material and set that to the animation when it from wood and turn into a Christmas tree. Okay, I will set this and move to this. Okay, now increase on brown. Okay, and I to set animation. Okay, come to this and it will become. Okay, I will copy this. Now move this and it will become green. Okay, yeah, that's the idea. That's the idea. Okay, now I move to fit the animation. Okay, let's increase this. Okay, now we have the animation like this. And I will set this. I will set keyframe on this magical robot. Okay, now I move this, and it will spray something magical to create a leaf. Okay, now move here, set eye. Okay, okay, let me adjust this. Okay, now I set the symbol material for the red objects. Okay, the symbol one, you can create any material and set up. Okay, see, we have a symbol animation, right? Okay, now we create a symbol material for the object. Okay, now I create a line. I use a cylinder and mold it into a line. I will fast forward this. Okay, now we have a line. Now we make the material for it. Choose this material and assign to this, and Control I to invert. Add a new material and assign this material to make the bulb. Okay, I add emission. Now add object info to randomize the color. You see, we cannot connect direct to the color. I use a color ramp to control the randomize of color. Okay, I will add the color ramp to this. You can add any color you want. Wait me a second. You see the line is linear, so you change to constant, and then adjust this, add another color. Okay, now we have the color ramp like this. Connect the randomize to the factor and connect the color to color. Okay, increase the emission strength. Now, when you make a copy, it will randomize color for you. Okay, now I will guide you how to make crystalline geometry nodes, bit to the bar and add a geometry node. Now, first you need to transform this line into a mesh. we add a curved circle to make the thickness for the bar. Now we want to put the line on the Y, so we need a instant on point. But you see, when you plug it will disappear because it don't have the join nodes. So you control shift and drag, you will have a join geometry. If you need this, you go to edit reference and enable the node granular, and when you drag, it will join for you. I want to put the line on the Y, so I use the object info and pick to the line. You will connect the geometry to the instant. Okay. Now you quite a bit, right? Now you scale it down. You see the line is overlap, so you have to add another node, distribute point of face. It will define where the points on the mesh. You can change the density. Now I think I will choose about 5000, and you adjust the distance of the point. Every point will define where the line is on the Y. Okay, this is quite big, so scale down. I want this straight in the vertical, so I will increase the axis. Okay, scale this. Okay, it's okay. Now you see the distance is close, so I will increase this. And unique rotation, right? Add a randomized value, change to vector and connect to rotation. Okay, now you can change the number on the mask. Okay, it will randomize the line. Now I will add a material node, set material for the Y, and this is the Y, so you connect to this, add a basic material for it. This and choose material. Now you have the basic material for the Y. Okay, I will change the distance a little bit. Okay, now you can adjust the Y, and when you extrude, you will create a Christmas. Okay, I will adjust it a little bit. Scale this. And now you have a Christmas line using geometry node. You can follow my guide here, or you can copy my. Okay, I will let this geometry node for you. Now I will get the Christmas line on the tree. Okay, I will fast forward this. Okay, we done it. So let me render this to see the line. Oh, you see it's weird, right? Because I don't have the emitter, so you have to go to the particle system and turn on show emitter. And now you have the tree right here, and I will the line over here is missing, right? So I will extrude this a little bit. Okay, I will make the Christmas line this build. Now I will use trim curve in geometry node. The trim curve is only effect on a curve. This is a map, not a curve, so you connect between this. Now you can change the start or end to create the animation for it. I will change it to timeline and this to the shader. Now we created animation for Christmas line. Okay, now I create a Christmas ball for the tree. I will fast forward this. And now I use particle system like the leaf on the Christmas tree. I add materials like we use randomized color like we did before. Now we are basic scene. Okay, let me play the Christmas ball, or I don't use the particle system because it's not so much, so I will play where I want. Okay, now I will create a simple GIF. I think it's quite big, so I will scale down the crystal ball. Now I will create candy for this factory and spray on the ground. Okay, now I copy this and you bring it up. Okay. Now you go to the material to make material first. I will use the white texture. I think I will rotate this. And yes, simple color, so use the color ramp. Okay. Now we have a simple candy right here. Okay. Move here and then we copy and place it on the ground. Okay. Okay, now it same direction, so you go to object transform and randomize transform. Now I will create a star. Okay, I will use the symbol star in the extra object. You can get it in the default add-on. Okay, we move here and then rotate 45 degrees to see in the front. Okay, now the idea will have something to drop down the star on the tree. That's the idea. I will bevel it a little bit. Okay, and shade smooth it. Okay, now we add emission for this and turn it into something like plastic. Okay, now I will create a handle to hold the star and drop it from top to the tree. Okay, a simple machine. Okay, I will fast forward this. Now I will create animation for this. Okay, I will move to this, about this, and drop down. Okay. After that, it will move up. Let's see the animation. Okay. Okay, I think it's okay. Now we will create a material for this. I will copy this and rotate to make something in the end. It will have something grab the tree and go out of the camera, and that is move another tree in. Okay. Now I will set the keyframe for this handle. Okay, I forgot the material for the spray machine. It's just a simple material, so just use like a metal one or something. Okay, just simple. You can do anything. Okay, link to this. Okay, now we will render this out. And now I will add some compositing to the render output. You Control Shift and click to the render layer, and it will show the viewer now. I will add a glare to glow the line. Okay, I will change it to bloom, and you decrease the size of the line. Maybe fog glow. Increase this. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, let's render this out and let's see the final result. Okay, it's done guys, and I wish you guys have a happy holiday and Merry Christmas guys. Hope you like and subscribe for my channel to support me to create more content about Blender. Okay, see ya.